Dear friends, in this video, I will show you how you can apply a circle crop effect in a video, that too, in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, then like the video. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So in the first step, you have to open your CapCut. In the second step, you have to import a video here. Here, I have a video, so I will import it from here. As you can see, now in the third step, you have to bring these videos onto the timeline. In the fourth step, click on masking here and put the video inside masking. Adjust it. And in this way, your circle crop effect will be added. If you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you are not on the channel, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and share this video with 3 friends. Gmail account. So here, I wish you by sending a photo from my Gmail account.